Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And today we're going to learn about differentiation. We're going to apply the product rule. We're going to differentiate each function with respect to x. So if I was given this function, f of x is equal to negative 3 plus x to the negative third times negative 4x to the third plus 3. Okay? Well, to apply the product rule, I need to have two functions that are being multiplied together, which I have. I'm going to label the first one here, negative 3x, 3 and negative 3 plus x to the negative third with f, and the second one here, negative 4x to the third plus 3 with g. So now I have my two functions, they're labeled, I can apply the product rule. Okay? So our product rule states f, it's written right here, and once we take the derivative, it's f, so negative 3 plus x to the negative third, times g prime, which is negative 12 x squared, plus g, all right, negative 4x to the third plus 3, times f prime, which is negative 3 plus, that's not the derivative, I'm rewriting f there. I need to take the derivative. Remember your own rules, Sean, okay? Well, it's not my rules, but derivative of that is just a negative 3, I guess it was. This negative 3 is canceled, but the negative 3 comes out exponent, x to the negative fourth power. Okay, I guess I could have kept it. All right, so we need to distribute this out. So f prime of x is equal to, distribute negative 12x to the second power times negative 3 is a positive, what is that, 36x squared. Negative 12 times, negative 12x to the second power times x to the negative 3 power is negative 12x to the negative 1 power. Okay, plus, here, distribute the negative 3 across, or negative 3x to the negative 4. So we have negative 3 times negative 4 is a positive 12. And then we have x to the negative fourth times x to the positive third gives me x to the negative 1. Plus, distribute the negative 3 across again. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. And that's x to the negative fourth power. Okay, so let's simplify this. Well, let's go combine our like terms, put our highest degree first. Highest degree is x squared, I see, so we have f prime of x is equal to 36x squared. Then we have a negative 12x to negative 1 and a positive 12x to negative 1. They cancel each other out, right? So we just get 0 there. And then we have subtracting 9. Well, 9 to the negative, 9 times x to the negative fourth power. Let's make that positive exponent. So we have negative or minus 9 up top over x to the positive fourth power. And there we have it. Okay? We have our derivative. F prime of x is equal to 36x squared minus 9 over x to the fourth. So let's recap. We're given our function f of x is equal to, our first parenthesis, negative 3 plus x to the negative third power. I'll label that to be f, times our second parenthesis, negative 4x to the third plus 3. I will label that to be g. I then applied the product rule, being f times g prime plus g times f prime. I then simplified by distributing, and I was given 36x squared minus 12x to the negative 1 plus 12x to the negative 1 plus negative or minus 9x to the negative fourth power. I then had to simplify that even more. My 12x to the negative 1s canceled the positive and negative 1, canceled each other out. And then I didn't want to have a positive exponent in my final answer, so I brought that down to the denominator and made that into a fraction. So we have our final answer here of f prime of x is equal to 36x squared minus 9 over x to the fourth.